Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys, in Asheville, beautiful Asheville, North Carolina, up in the mountains, enjoying the fresh, clean air, the beautiful blooms. I love it here. I love it here. We're going to be doing a paint. Now, I haven't done a multiple ring pour in a long time, and I had some really pretty colors in mind, and I thought, hey, let's come on down here and give it a try. We're working today on a 16 by 20 gallery wrap canvas, and our colors are yummy, yummy, yummy. And this cup, now I'm going to pour them into my cups in this order, guys. In this cup right here, we have Golden Fluids in the burnt sienna. Just a beautiful, beautiful shade of coppery brown. This yummy color right here, just got this in the mail today. This is Arteza Pearl Deep Brown, or as Sweet Jeremy says, the chocolate color. And it is very, very chocolatey. Now, I don't know what this is. I am determined to use up leftover paints, and I keep my little leftover paints in these little plastic covers with lids, and I had about 4 or 5 different hues of blue. So I poured them all in this little cup right here, added a little bit of mix pour to it because they were very thin. I had obviously used them for a swipe or a different technique, but I'm guessing this is probably golden fluid turquoise, maybe a little deco art peacock pearl, and possibly some deco art sapphire. So I'm not quite sure what that blue is. This yummy color right here, that's a pretty shade of gold, guys. That is Arteza, because I got some new Arteza paints in the mail today. That's Arteza Gold, but I added a little bit of my Golden Fluids Iridescent Gold, and it made it just a little bit more of a beautiful color, a beautiful shade of gold. This right here is yummy, Arteza Pearl Marmalade, but I added to that a little squirt of, where is it? My golden iridescent copper, because I think this is the prettiest copper in the world, and a tiny little dash in that Arteza Pearl Marmalade just kicked it up a notch, guys. It really did. It took very little. This right here is Artist Loft Flow Acrylics in the black, and that is also going to be our base coat. Now, I don't know how many cups I'm going to prepare. Probably 2 or 3, and you're going to notice that I do 1 ring pour at a time, and then I manipulate it and get it to where I want it, hoping that the majority of the runoff paint has left so it doesn't move very much, and that way when I add my second cup, I can kind of control my composition a little bit. So, and I'm going to try to leave some black negative space because I don't want it to be too super crazy busy. So there you have it, guys. Let's put some tunes on for you, put some tunes on for me, and let's get busy.
too close. I got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know which way to go. But I keep walking right into your arms. And if I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out, this is all 'cause of you. The voices inside my head used to be my only friend, but they go silent when you're around. I hope you stay till the end. But I keep walking right into your arms, and if I'm falling, standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out, this is all 'cause of you. I'm standing with you, girl.